What are you doing? You're eating what should go into the humidifier?
No.
No? Okay, so what do we have?
A humidifier.
A humidifier. Tell me more about this humidifier.
Okay, the humidifier is much more different with other humidifiers.
Yes.
The other humidifiers, they use essential oil.
Yes.
This one uses natural habitats, let's say that. Like petals, fruit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I can see you've already eaten our food.
No.
You're the culprit.
No.
So is this good for babies?
Yeah, but the other one, babies can't inhale essential oil
Okay.
because it's unhealthy for them.
So this is good because it's natural.
Mm-hmm.
And then it has a lamp. It lights up.
Yes.
So can we go ahead and check?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so step 1, what do you do?
Put water inside.
Okay, open. Where are you putting the water?
Here.
Around. Okay, not inside. Yeah?
Sure.
Put the water around. So carefully, just lift the lid.
Is enough?
Yeah, so what do we do now?
You just close
Place
the lid.
it. Okay,
It seems like they have on it.
it's locked. Alright, so we have to switch it on. It has a cable that attaches to, or rather connects to power.
And
So on. And then right here, you have the on button. The first one is for the lamp, eh? So the second one is the on button. So press the on button. Oh, and there. How amazing.
it doesn't smell like orange.
It's gonna in a few. Okay, press the lamp. Oh my gosh.
Does it have more colors? So
Does
can
it
go
change?
from
It
bright to more bright.
And it's orange.
Just like the oranges inside.
Oh, it looks nice. That's good air. Okay, so let's take it to Jasmine's room now. So we switch off.
Okay, another trip upstairs.
What did you say?
Lamp? No.
What did you say? I heard you. Okay,
It's not turning off.
there you go. All right, let's go. So we're in Jasmine's room, and we've placed our what? Okay. To the on is it on? On the socket?
I'm not sure.
Yes, it's on. Okay. So let's do the drill. What did we start with?
The on button,
Okay. There you go. And then
the lamp.
that is amazing. So instead of us having to put the light on over there every time we come to change her, so you're gonna just have to come here, switch that on, and then give us some good air, fresh air as you're changing her. So yeah,
The light bulb smoke didn't have shadow.
smoke has a shadow. Interesting enough. This is from Villa, you all. Villa households. Always having exciting stuff and unique. Who would have known? Those oranges are looking good. Thank you, Video Vixen.
Before, when you're done, remove the oranges.
Yes,
They will expire and it will start smelling bad.
that's true. So you remove the oranges, you clean the water, you also dry off the inside part. I forget the name. And yeah, no essential oil, guys. This one is purely natural stuff, like he said. Okay, let's go. Bye.